At a press conference held in the city on 28 April 2022, members of the Hynniewtrep Border Dispute Redressal Forum had demanded a revisit into the recently signed MOU on border dispute between the Meghalaya and Assam governments. Speaking to reporters, the spokesperson of the forum, Thomas Pasa, said that the regional parties at the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council will approach the Supreme Court on the border issue between Meghalaya and Assam while keeping in mind the larger interest of the people of the state. However, as per the recent statement made by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, wherein it states that the members of such regional parties in the MDA government are in support of the MOU on the first phase of border settlement that was recently signed between the two states. This, Pasa informed, has created confusion amongst the general public as to the stand of the regional parties on the issue. Pasa therefore demanded that these parties must clarify whether the statement made by the Chief Minister is a fact or otherwise.
Regional party baru ada jungtip kira lang sabun soy yang kena MOU. Hari ini nado pemik MOU ki jeng persiap ki wan ki regional party babon ni. Ban kedau kerpang kendian pemik ki lat patai kebol ke HBDC. Wa penyak di sing reulung. Kan lek ujur Supreme Court. Hari ki juk sing reulung ki dan state government dengan jengkeli ke pemik. Atau ki sing ke reulung kita ar bentar datang si bentar. Ada council lah kajong, berapa state government lah kajong. Nomor tiga kuat mana leh siapa Supreme Court, Supreme ya ka di council kepada ka babat ya kendau siap kajong ni sidul area, baki sim ni kena senjam, ban kenapa ki produk perasaan jongi kinumdu ya ka kendau siap kajong ki. Henry lah dah ki boleh pada ki noyalam regional party, ki MLA jong kini regional party ki boleh dapok ke MBA government. Lagi pengai lah gaji kerjaan, dia ngintip ke sianu kan poi. Dekat kadang kebor bumi mental sini kalau kebakam sopelah. Kat statement yang nak kalian jauh menteri rambah dua jauh ni kan. So jalan sim, iksen jam hak beri bagi statement jauh menteri rambah dua tu kan jalan Meghalaya. Nomor bawa ladaki ong bawa menteri rambah uthok ya tu statement pemerintah. Kiri maki ban pensisa ya kan dia gaji kerjaan jauh menteri rambah. Bat lada kimlak pemerintah tak apa ba.
In the meantime, the forum has demanded from the government either a revisit to the recently signed Memorandum of Understanding on the first phase of border settlement between Meghalaya and Assam, or compensation to landowners in the border areas of Meghalaya who had to surrender their property to the Assam government after their land has been included into the Assam side of the border.
Ani, ka state government kan mula ban settle ya ka border dispute. Kadang bor juga parlimen lembaga bentar kabala juga constitution juga India. Tangga parlimen kabala ban penka state, ban pendam state, ban pendrit state, ban penhead state kadang bor juga parlimen malwai. The constitutionally kadang pendrit pun kalah bakalah. Baka constitution juga India kampung baka syah kti jong Amit Shah ban penuh ibu hajung ka parlimen. Amit Shah is not a parliament. Data kadang kani kadang kacingnya huri-hura do kani pajak poi saka benta bani solusi. Te ikerpan ya ka sarkar ka jongi ya borok ki political party bagin simkhya ge amat ban phai biang sekali MOU pun wandur be ya ka nilai I wat aban expand ki surak tinti singking ru ka sarkar ka sir compensation. Teman-teman kami wajib lihat tu ki nak Shillong ki jongi ki balak du ki per ki puk do kata ter kan aine untuk compensation pada ya kador untuk jaka bagi ladu compensation di mana maka ni bakal lek ka sarkar te kimlet ki terjaka ko mengile ala dekat sarkar ka sim jaka ni ki pajak ban senapan penhak surau